Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two endurance-focused smartwatches, Garmin Enduro 3 versus Garmin Enduro 2. First up, the screen size. Both watches come with a 1.4-inch display, so no differences there. And speaking of displays, both use MIP technology, meaning they offer great visibility in bright sunlight. Now, when it comes to water resistance, both are rated 10 ATM, so they can handle swimming, rain, and even some serious water pressure without breaking a sweat. Plus, both watches have an always-on display, keeping your stats visible at all times. In terms of dimensions, the Enduro 3 measures 51 by 51 by 15.7 millimeters, while the Enduro 2 is slightly thinner at 15.6 millimeters. Not a huge difference, but it's there. And for durability, both feature power sapphire lenses and titanium bezels, making them tough as nails. Resolution? No change here either. Both offer 280 by 280 pixels, delivering the same level of clarity. But when it comes to weight, the Enduro 3 is noticeably lighter at 63 grams, compared to the Enduro 2's 70 grams. That could make a difference if you prefer a more lightweight feel on your wrist. Now here's a big one, battery life. The Enduro 3 crushes it with 90 days of solar-powered battery life, while the Enduro 2 offers 46 days with solar. If battery longevity is your main concern, the Enduro 3 is a clear winner. Both watches support Android devices, and you're getting 32 gigabytes of storage on both. So if you like to store maps, music, or data, there's no difference there. Need a flashlight? Both models have an LED flashlight, which is super handy for outdoor adventures. And when it comes to connectivity, you're covered with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, ANT+, and NFC on both. As for sensors, no upgrades here either. Both watches feature GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, ambient light sensors, heart rate monitoring, an accelerometer, temperature sensors, a compass, a barometer, gyroscope, ABC sensors, and GNSS. They also track your sleep, steps, and distance traveled with precision. Now let's talk price. The Garmin Enduro 3 comes in at $900, while the Enduro 2 is a bit easier on the wallet at $750. Let's see the pros of both watches. Garmin Enduro 3 pros: longer 90-day battery life with solar, lighter weight at 63 grams. Garmin Enduro 2 pros: more affordable at $750. Garmin Enduro 3 cons: higher price at $900. Garmin Enduro 2 cons: shorter battery life, 46 days versus 90 days, heavier at 70 grams. And now it's time to crown the winner. The Garmin Enduro 3 takes the top spot, thanks to its lighter weight and superior battery life. But if you're looking for the best value, the Enduro 2 still shines with its lower price and top-tier features. So, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. If you've made your choice, you can check out the links in the description below to grab your favorite watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to share it with fellow watch enthusiasts. See you in the next video.